This is how to play the birds opening. You start with pawn c4, knight c3, pawn, your e-pawn one step forward, or king's pawn. Then we play knight e2. Now you've completed the opening. And it's a pretty good opening. It has some pretty strong moves like attacking the center, or maybe even planning a two from the attack on the center. And black most of the time would be occupying the center, but you would attack it relentlessly and gain it back.